Let f of x represent a cubic function with zeros at x equals -2, +5, and 8. Let g of x equals 0.2 times f of x. What are the zeros of g of x? Okay, well, let's go the long way and then let's make this super simple. Okay, if I have f of x and I know that the zeros are -2, 5, and 8, that means I could have factors of x plus 2, x minus 5, and x minus 8. Now, g of x is the same exact thing, but with 0.2 multiplied to it. So how does that affect the zeros, you ask? Well, it doesn't, because if I set u equal to 0, 0.2 equals blah, blah, and blah, you just cross out and you're basically back to where you started. So if f of x has these zeros, g of x is going to have the same exact zeros. And that's something. The answer is A.